Welcome, Hornets. Today we're going to be discussing the three types of discontinuities. So up till now, we've seen that discontinuity has three criteria. The first of the criteria is that the limit as x approaches a value a for a function exists, and this is for every value in the domain. Then we've seen that the value itself at a must exist. And the third criteria is that the limit that we found in the first statement must equal the value found in the second. And this is what we're talking about for our three criteria. Well, we've seen that there is one very special grouping, and this is called removable discontinuities. And that's when we have a hole in the graph. Now, this hole could be filled below, therefore misdefined, or possibly even above, but misdefined. This represents a piecewise function that we've seen, and the hole doesn't fit. Okay, so that point is in the right place. This is called removable. Removable discontinuity. The limit as x approaches a for the function exists, but, and then you have two criteria. There is a hole or the point is misplaced. Okay, so you could put there as a hole. Or the point is misplaced. All right. Now the second one we talked about, the limit didn't exist. This was the first of our essential discontinuities. And essential discontinuities, there are two of them. And the first, let's just look at the first, is having a one-sided limit either on one side or both, but those limits aren't equal. Either way, the first criteria that the limit as x approaches a for the function does not exist. Now, regardless of how this works, that has to happen. So the other possibility is an asymptote. Now we could have them both going in the same direction, or as we saw before with the reciprocal function, going in opposite directions. This is called an infinite discontinuity. Let's just make sure we state what this other one was. This one was a jump discontinuity. Notice that with both essential discontinuities, the limit does not exist. Notice we could have a one-sided limit, or we might not have a one-sided limit from either side. Either way, the limit does not exist. Removable discontinuities, therefore, are that much more special. And that's because their limit does exist. The limit exists, but there's a hole where the point is misplaced. Thank you very much. Please take care and be well and be safe. Thank you.